Hello and welcome to Victor Shamaki. Today we're going to add in motion to the still pictures. We'll be using the Ken Bond effect. So let's ride on. So basically when you have a pictures and you want to make it motion, all you need to do is just hover your mouse. This is called playhead. So you just take it to the beginning of the clip. Now once it's at the beginning of the clip, you see this clock, you go to effect control first, then you see this clock is called position, so just click on it. Then you see this now, the clock one also is for scale, so you click on it. Once you're done clicking on it, the next thing you need to do is to move your playhead, whether through from here or you can move it from here as well. Then you take it to the end where you want this effect to end. So you take it to the end. So you take it to where you want it to end. Once you've done that, the next thing is you move the scale. So just move the scale, let it go. Sorry. Move the scale. Once you've done that, the next is to now adjust your position so that, let's reduce the scale so that it can show us the detail of the two of them. Alright, so let's move it down and move this one towards this side. Sorry, the mouse I'm using is having some kind of quest for head, so I'm trying to move this down so that they're detailed, because at the end of the day it's the two of them that you're looking at. So once I've done that, now let's play it so that you see. So we take it to the beginning and then we play. So you see that it's very interesting, right? And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and I will see you in the next video.